Hello CAD users and welcome back to episode 4 of Did You Know for RealCAD, LANDWorks, ArborCAD and any RealCAD application. Did you know that whilst drawing lines, arcs, circles or anything at all, to prevent yourself accidentally snapping to an object that you don't wish to snap to, simply hold down the Ctrl key whilst drawing? Let me show you an example. Choose the Insert Line command. I'm currently drawing a black line. I might start my line out here, and normally if I touch this line, this circle, it will automatically either go tangent or perpendicular because I have a diamond cursor. Let me do that first. Oh, yes it has. It's gone directly there, but that may not have been what I was wanting to achieve. Perhaps I wanted the line to go in the direction that my cursor was traveling. So let's undo that. This time, when I see the diamond, I simply press the Ctrl key, move my mouse slightly, and the diamond disappears. It now means that when I click, I've placed the line precisely where my cursor was. I haven't snapped to anything. Right click. Let's zoom in really closely. So you can see I haven't touched this line, this circle, to the line. The idea of the Ctrl key is that it just prevents you from being forced to snap when you don't wish to snap. Another example may be that I wish to draw a line from the center of this circle. This time I use the snap. Okay, so my little circle appeared where my cursor was, but I don't wish to snap to the outside edge here. But I do wish the line to come pretty close. So I just hold down the Ctrl key. I could zoom in a long way, hold down the Ctrl key and go click. I haven't actually attached myself, even though it appears so. If I keep zooming in, we will eventually see that there is a gap. So you can see that it's an inaccurate way of drawing, but it is a great way to prevent yourself from being forced to actually snap to something when you don't want to be snapping. It does not disable the snap when you have the grid switched on. So if we got grid snapping switched on, select OK. You can see the grid points here. I'm snapping to the grid points when I'm drawing. I'm holding down the Ctrl key now and it has no effect whatsoever. It will still snap directly to those grid points. I hope you have enjoyed this little tip and trick as part of our Did You Know series.